How to get verified on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shahid and today I'm going to tell you the method how to get verified on Snapchat. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So what exactly we will do today is we will contact Snapchat and letting them know that someone is impersonating you and the people who wants to follow you are getting confused. So the question is how to contact Snapchat. First, visit the Snapchat support page. As you can see on your screen, I'm already on that support page, but if you cannot find it, you can find the link to the page in the description below. Once you click on that link, you will find the support page. On the support page, the option you need to choose is to contact us option. So I will click on the contact option. There is more options which you will see on your screen. So you will choose my Snapchat isn't working, and once you click on that, you can see there is another list of options and you will choose other. In the other, you need to choose need help with something else, and then you need to click on yes. So once you click on yes, there will be more options down below and you should select my issue is not listed. And once you click on that, there will be a form and you need to fill it, your username, your email address, and then your mobile number, and everything needs to be filled here. When did you start having this issue? You need to specify that, the device that you're using, and there is an option where you can choose a file as well for attachment. But the most important one is the information that someone is using your name and impersonating you and making your follower confused. People are following other accounts instead mine, which is hurting my account. That is very important. You need to be persuasive, you need to be more specific. And the one trick that I want to tell you, that when you choose, there is an option of attachment that choose a file. So you can choose a picture of your ID card which is issued by the government, which will make it easy for the Snapchat to identify that you are the actual person and someone else is impersonating you. The trick is that be persuasive, make the Snapchat believe that yes, you are the official account. And the one trick that I told you, use your ID card in the attachment. So once you fill up all the information and you attach the file, then you can click on the send option, and it will take 2 to 3 days for Snapchat to process it. And if your application was persuasive, so it will take 2 to 3 days for Snapchat to process it, and then your account will be verified. You will receive an email from Snapchat that your account has been verified. So if not, then you can resubmit the application again. So guys, if you really want to get verified, click on the link in the description and submit your application today. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for more informative video. I will see you again with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.